Yeah, hi there. Welcome to this part of the class where we are going to be talking about usefulness of artificial intelligence. I'm very sure you must have heard about artificial intelligence, AI, and all those stuff. But for your educational purpose or basically anything you want to do online, we'll be talking about just two AIs in this text. So the first one we'll be talking about here is Chat GPT, the one we have here. And the second we are going to be talking about that's just as good as ChatGPT is ChatSonic. So now these two basic apps now they both have one thing in common, just that one is more popular than the other. So basically ChatGPT is far more popular than ChatSonic, but in terms of quality and how wide you can apply it, I will still prefer ChatSonic to ChatGPT. In this part of the video, we are going to be working with some apps. The first one, the one I like to use personally, is Microsoft 365 Office. It's just like using Microsoft Word on a smartphone. But if you don't have that, which I'm very sure what you must have is probably WPS Office or Google Docs. No problem. Either one works very fine. And also we'll be working with a converter, which is I love PDF.com and smallpdf.com. So these two basic sites, what they do basically is to convert your documents after getting your information from the artificial intelligence into PDF or any other format that you wish. So let's get started now. So to get started, we need to head over to our browser. So you can either use Chrome, which is this, or you can use Microsoft Edge, either one that pays you. Microsoft Edge, this. So you can either use any of it, or if it's Mozilla Firefox you want to use, no problem, it works very well with all. So getting started now, I'll be using Chrome for my own. So now we are on a Chrome browser. If we are to work with ChatGPT, you have to go to chats.openai.com/chat. So once you go to the site we have here, once you go to the site automatically opens you a way for you to get to ChatGPT. So all you need to do is you click on go. So here is the platform for ChatGPT. So because I've already signed in before, that's why it just opened this for me. But for you that doesn't really know how to use it before, I'm going to log out now. So once you click on chats.openai.com, what we have here, once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. So then you click on login. That's if you've signed up before. But if you are just signing up, you can just click on sign up. Then if probably you have your, what they call it, if probably you have your email synced, as I said in the previous video, if you have your email synced like this on your Google Chrome browser, so that means you don't need to like sign up again. You can just sign up directly with your Google Chrome account. So you just click on continue with Google. So if you click on continue with Google, it's going to ask for access to the mails that you have on your phone. So personally, I am using this first one, but because I've signed up before, I don't need to sign up again. But for you that you are just starting, you can just click on that automatically. You don't have to fill any form again to start. So I'm just going to go back there, then I'm going to log in. So once I click on login, I click on continue with Google, and I choose my account, which is the first one there. So now I'm logged in as a user. So for this part of the video, I'm just going to be going over a very simple question which might take you time for you to get on Google, because that's basically the beauty of this AI. It gets your information from you in such a way that you won't have to organize, you won't have to spend much time organizing it again. So as it is, ChatGPT can be used to generate different things. You want to generate an article, write an essay, make a research, generate practically anything that you can think of. You want to write a blog post, you want to write a letter, you want to do this and that, it can basically do everything for you. So in this part of it, I'm going to be using it for just one particular question. So once you want to enter anything, you need to type it in here. So once you type it there, for this question I'll be asking it, list 20 old English, stating clearly the part of speech of each one and the meaning of each English. So I'm basically asking him to help me list 20 old English. That is the first question, stating clearly the part of it of speech of each English as it's naming it, then the meaning of each English. So once you are done with your prompt, which is your instruction, you press this thing that looks like an aeroplane. So once you are done, you press it and automatically it gets to work. So it might take some seconds, then it starts. So here 20 old English blah blah blah. So like that we wait, that's interjection, the meaning of the English. So basically that's how it brings out the answer for you. So you just need to wait and let it do its thing. So I hope you are getting something here. It's not just limited to you using it for educational purposes. You can use it for practically anything. You want to write something you can't remember, anything. So basically these are old English, then they are part of speech and their meanings. So for this now, what we just need to do is, if you are writing an article or something, what you need to do is you copy what we have here. But you just, the normal way you copy now, just hold it down, then you copy. Okay, pick the first one, click on copy. Then no, I said we are going to be using ChatGPT, then Microsoft 365 Office. So if you've copied that, just easily go to your Microsoft Office. Where is it? Yeah, this is my Microsoft 365 here. So it works basically as if you are using Microsoft Word on your phone. So you click on it, then click on create Word blank document. So you can just close this one and you can just paste what you've done just now. You paste it here, so you can always come back to edit and all those ones. So the ones you don't need to edit it, the ones you need, you leave it. So once you are through, you press this mark button at the top here to save. So once you are done, just press the mark button to save and close. So now we are going to be checking out how to use ChatSonic for the same question. So you copy the question so that you don't have to start listing it again. So you click on copy, then I'll head over to ChatSonic. Just press ChatSonic. So once you press ChatSonic, click on Google, then it's going to show it for you. So you can see that there is even contemplations on how good is it compared to ChatGPT, blah blah blah. So what we want to click on now is this. That's what we want to use. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open for you this dashboard, which is what we have here. So you can see the many things you can do with it. With these now, you can generate virtual pictures. Maybe you want a picture of a student that is sitting down, you want a picture of virtually anything. So create images of the most beautiful places in the world. So it can practically do anything, write reviews, write emails, and if you like, those of you that likes love letter, you can help you like love letters also. So I don't know, it's just practically very good. So once you get to this dashboard, you can easily go through the details that we have here. and see the things you can do with it. But for this purpose of this video, we'll be starting on how to use it. So you click on start chatting instantly. So you click on start chatting. So we are saying get started with 2,500 free words. So you have to start. I've already signed in before, so or if you are just starting out, the same way you did the first one, you sign up with your OTP, your full name will be here, then your business email or your email address, you sign it up there. But since I'm already signed in, I can easily click on that, then sign in. So it's going to open up for me the dashboard because I've already signed up before. Okay, let's go. Text to speech. So basically you can convert your text to speech, blah blah blah. You can save it, or I don't really need it now, so just leave it out. So you click on, so these are the things you can do. So what makes ChatSonic different from the ChatGPT is that ChatGPT works based on what has been served before, but ChatSonic works with the latest information, that's the latest details that is still out now. So that's why I still prefer ChatSonic to ChatGPT. So you click on new chat to start a new chat instantly. So new chat. So once you click on new chat, it's going to load it for you. So once you click on new chat, you are to write in what you want here, just like in ChatGPT now. So we just copy the question we did for the previous one, then paste it there. So it's as simple as that. You copy the question. So these are the things you can also do with it, general AI and the like. So just leave it at general AI and you copy the question and paste. Then click on this arrow by the side, so it's going to generate it for you. So you can see just like how ChatGPT is working, it also works the same way. So basically you can use to generate almost anything you want. What can only limit you is your own imagination. So that's basically how you can use the AI to do everything you want to do. So now you can also click on copy, select all. No, that's not good. Just click on and select everything that you want to copy. You don't need to copy that. Okay, copy. Then you go to, you can either use Microsoft 365 as I have here, or you can use Google Docs. I have that one also, Google Docs. So all these things are easy to download. Just go on Google Play Store, then Google Docs, like that, easy as that. Then well, I prefer to use Microsoft. Sure. So I go to my Microsoft, create Word. No, not that. So paste. So once you are through, just click on that mark. You are done with this. So basically this is how to use your device as an AI to work for you, basically effortlessly. So for the PDF and the likes, you can easily do that. Just go to I love PDF, ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf.com. So you can see the things you can do with it here. PDF to Word, Word to PDF. Just click on, we are going for Word to PDF. So you select Word file. So where are the documents? should be, no, not that, documents. So I think I saved the documents. Yeah, let's just pick one document here. So let's say I want to convert this now to a PDF. This is an example of a Word file. So what you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it opens, and click on convert to PDF. I think the site is having problems, so we just reload it. Select convert. So it takes less than 5 seconds for it to convert, so automatically it's going to save on your phone, so that way you can always use it for anything you want to do. Use it for assignments, practically anything. So with this, now we've come to the end of the class on how you can use artificial intelligence to do your works online. So till next time, see you later.